What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Guess what came in? The tape. So I've been waiting for a few days, but yeah, it's here. The 3M tape. I think I don't know, when I looked at it, it's the right tape. I mean, it's like made for the for automotive purposes, but it's only a 1/2 inch in width. To show you guys that. So it's not the most wide one I've gotten. I think the most wide one I've gotten was 7/8, but that was like $55, and I did not want to spend $55. So this was like $30. So hopefully this works. But before I can do that, I gotta go to O'Reilly's real quick. I gotta drop off some used oil, and then I gotta look for that Goo-Gone adhesive remover stuff to finish off the rest of the spoiler so I can finally slap it on. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're finally back home from O'Reilly's. Found the adhesive remover, the 3M branded one. It was like $27. I was not about to spend $27 on a spray can I was going to use for maybe 4 or 5 sprays. I don't know, I don't think it was worth it. So I'm going to give this a shot. Goo-Gone, it was only like $3.50. So hopefully that will get rid of all the residue that is still on here. Whoops. Let me just do this really quick and then we can get onto the installation part. Hopefully this goes smoothly.
The next day.
I'm gonna be honest with you, it's been a few days since that last video clip you guys just saw. It actually took a lot longer for the Goo-Gone to work. It took 2 hours for it to soak in for me to actually be able to take it off. And I've been busy with work too, and then it's been raining or whatever, and the weather's just not good. But I'm finally free today to finally just put this on my car. So for the most part, I don't know if you guys can see here, it's kind of hard. There's still tiny bits and pieces. But for the most part, I got it off. I'm just gonna go through it with some alcohol that I got from Walmart. I mean, it's supposed to clean the surface a little bit better. So I'm gonna go through it one more time with that, and then I'm gonna clean the surface of the trunk, and we're gonna slap it on there. Hopefully it sticks. There's still sunlight out, so we're chilling. We're good. So I'm just do this really quick, and then we'll head outside. Yeah, cool. Hey guys, so it's kind of ghetto. I don't have time to wash my car because the sun's setting down in an hour. So I got my trusty little bowl there with some water. So yeah, I'm just gonna wipe it down really quick with some water and try to remove as much as I can. Pick up some dirt. I'm gonna go through it again with some Windex that I have right here. And then we're gonna go through the trunk again with some alcohol on it. Damn, this thing is dirty, dude. This is horrible. There's pollen on here and stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna go through, give it a quick wipe, and do my best to prep the surface, because it's all about preparation. If you take your time and you actually clean the surface and you clean that properly, then there should be no problems and no worries. It shouldn't pop off while you're driving. So yeah, I did a lot of research on this. A lot of people who have just mounted it with 3M tape, they're chilling. It's been 2 years and their spoiler hasn't moved. So I'm hoping it doesn't fly off, because if it does, then I'm out $200. So let's hope it's not. There's this thing going on with my subs, dude. They're always like, clean your trunk, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I haven't cleaned my trunk for like years. Yeah, if you guys haven't noticed, I actually have a cameraman today, so it's pretty nice. I don't have to hold. Ooh, that's dirty.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
That's pretty dirty. I don't have to hold the camera while I do this. It's pretty nice. Did you want to tell the subs, dude, what car you got today?
Oh yeah, guys. So I just purchased an RSX Type S.
Type sexy.
Type Sexy. That's what the S stands for. Sexy no Jutsu.
Yeah, he's pretty stoked. We spent all day actually looking at that. So yeah, he pulled the trigger. We ended up getting it, so pretty dope. Now I'm gonna go, after I kind of wiped off the dust, best I can with the microfiber. I'm gonna go through the surface again with Windex. I don't even know if this is supposed to be right, but some people recommend it because it removes any more dirt and grime or whatever. So I saw a guy do it, so it turned out well for him. So I'm going with it. Okay, and I'll do it one more time. OCD.
A few moments later.
Now I'm gonna go through with some alcohol. I've already done this to the spoiler, the underside at least. This thing smells, dude.
Alcohol?
Yeah, it smells
Like
strong.
vodka.
It's horrible. Keep in mind, guys, I'm a noob. I'm a DIY kind of guy, so I do everything on my own. I research it and I do it. So I make mistakes. You guys already know how it is on this channel. Yeah, you guys can give me pointers down in the comment section, you know, like, hey man, you should do this instead or whatever. So just in case if it does pop off, I can get some of your guys' advice to, you know, mount it back on so that it doesn't fly off. But I'm fairly confident that this is gonna work. I mean, how hard is it to mess up double-sided tape, right? So, I mean, I say that now, but hopefully it doesn't fly off. I'm just gonna test fit it real quick to see how it looks. But I believe it's like actually pretty sick.
Yeah. Looks good with the bottom because like a black.
Yeah, nice. Y'all like that? Y'all like? Yeah, I like that. I'm feeling it, dude. All right, now to apply the tape. All right, guys. So this is the tape that I got. This 3M acrylic plus or whatever. It's supposed to be better. It was like 50 bucks, right? Or $30. I forgot what I said. But it's all janked up though, dude. Look at this. Like, I was like coming off, but we're just gonna go with it. It's a lot thinner than I wanted, but obviously the wider one was like twice as much money, so I was just like, I cheaped out. So hopefully that doesn't affect the process, but I don't think it will. So got some scissors here, and I'm just gonna start laying the tape essentially where the old owner did. So I think we should be cool. Yeah, so this is gonna be a process. It's pretty thin though. That's what I'm kind of worried about. To be honest, it is pretty thin, so we're gonna see if this actually works.
5 minutes later.
So I don't have any painter's tape to line it up, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. We're just gonna do it like that. That's just how it is. I'm gonna peel off the tape and we're gonna go for it. I'm so scared. I'm like really scared because we messed this up. We're like screwed. We got one shot at this, dude.
One shot. Well, you could always like
Nah, once it goes down, dude, it goes down. So
you gotta be careful, dude.
yeah, I'm like really,
You got this.
really nervous. I'm honestly pretty stoked about this, but I'll be pretty sad if it flies off, man. Watch next video. I fucked up.
I lost it, guys.
Lost my spoiler. Here you go, guys. Moment of truth. This thing's actually pretty sticky. But
Sure, dude. I'm sure you gotta have it right. Oh, shit.
Oh my god, this is so nerve-wracking, dude. I should have just used the tape method. Oh man.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What happened? How come there's a gap there?
I didn't push it over more this side, but yeah, it needs to be more to the right.
Yeah. You can pop it off. Yeah, you got it.
Oh my god! Oh shit, it's like really strong. I literally can't pop it off.
You have to get a heat gun, dude.
No! Okay, I totally messed up. I should have put it on and then slowly pull the tape off.
Oh shit.
That's what I should have did, dude. I totally wrecked it.
Yeah. Dang, dude.
Holy crap, it's not coming off.
It's strong as hell.
Okay, go on.
Dude, you're gonna
fucked up, guys. I fucked up. No! So sad right now. Ah. Yeah, this gas is not flying anywhere. I
Yeah.
can get it in the right spot first.
I think you got the right tape.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
It's off, guys. After, it's like 45 minutes, almost an hour. We got it off. I don't know how we did it. Like, first method, I used a hair dryer because we couldn't find the heat gun. And finally we found the heat gun. So, yeah, I was heating it up and then Josh pulled it off. It's off. I'm like really debating I should put it on, but okay, this time. Okay, so what I messed up on, I believe, is I went in like this first, right? And then I try to, you know, sit it flush down when I should have went in like this, from the bottom like this. So I can center it like this and then I can just push it down like that. So hopefully this time around will be the last time. Most of the tape here actually wasn't even touching the car. It was only this corner here. A little bit of the top and this, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit more tape and it shouldn't be a big deal. I'm just gonna take a little break. Honestly, had a heart attack. I honestly thought it was just stuck forever, but it came off pretty clean. Barely any tape stuck to the car. No scratches, so we're chilling. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a little break. My homie Titus, my housemate's gonna come home and help out. He wanted to be a part of the video, so we're gonna take a break. So I'll check back in a few minutes. Titus got off for work. He helped me fix this. You guys, it's like a year ago, but we fixed the off-centered exhaust thingies because he was helping me through it. So we're gonna do this again. I'm so scared, dude. All right, last shot, dude. Okay.
Did you want me to hold one side?
Yeah, let's just eyeball it. Let's just see. Okay, we'll go in like this first. Yeah, oh god, see, it's already sticking.
You gotta be careful, man. I don't want to go through it
This is
again.
so much easier with two people. It really is.
If I wasn't recording.
Yeah, cause you're recording earlier. Okay. Slowly. Okay.
Like all surfaces at the same time?
Yeah. Oh god. So scared.
I don't remember how much gap was supposed to be on the edge. On the edge of the trunk door?
Okay, let's see. I think it
Or
was.
should I measure it like with this line right here? 'Cause we could both see this right here. We could probably match up this edge right here.
Oh yeah. Okay. You can get this view, dude. If you can get is there some light?
Like here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. I think that's. Is that okay? Are you good?
Does it look the same? It's down.
My side did. Okay.
It looks pretty
We're
even.
golden, boys. Okay, just push it in now. This side's not even all the way down either. Right here.
It was more down than this side earlier.
True.
Yeah.
They're both about the same now. I could have gone the more secure route and just drilled some holes, but you
don't
know
wanna do
your
that,
boy
dude.
doesn't want to mess with drills right now.
You're gonna mess up your whole
What are you gonna do? Zip
Hold
tie it to your trunk?
Hey, dude, I still have zip ties on here.
zip ties on
Yeah,
it?
the day that he
On
helped
what?
me fix the exhaust, I zip tied the diffuser. It's
Dang.
still zip tied because
That's
we didn't
nice.
have the bolts, dude. Gotta do what you gotta do, and it's
Yeah.
still there. All right, calling it a day. It's good. It looks fine. I'll show you
right.
guys when there's more daylight. Shout out to Titus, to Josh holding the camera. That's Audrey. She also lives with us. But it's done. Can you even see me in this light? Is it like?
Yeah.
Oh, you can actually see me?
Yeah, the light's
Alright,
actually
cool.
really good.
Oh wow. Okay.
I think it's just your camera.
Oh, awesome.
DSLR.
Definitely. I will show you guys this how it looks like during the daytime when I have a chance. But for right now, I don't know. Maybe you just kind of can they see from this angle how it looks like? Kind of.
Yeah, it's kind of dark.
It's not dark.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really dark, dude.
Yeah.
Even if I like do this,
Not really.
like
Oh, there you go.
like this,
A little bit.
Little
Oh
bit?
yeah, you could.
a little bit.
Kinda see it.
Can y'all see that a little bit? Yeah. No. No. Okay, that actually did nothing. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Future self, insert a picture of how it looks like or a small video clip right now. Okay, all right. So, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed watching me fail super hard on this supposedly simple install, make sure you guys give the video a like, please. Subscribe too if you guys are new to the channel. Keep up with my life and my builds and stuff like that. I really appreciate you guys being so patient with me and my channel. It's really cold. I'm starting to get a cough. I'm probably just gonna call it a night. But thank you guys for staying till the end. I love you guys. But yeah, until next time. Peace. Like that.